So this is going to be the second video in the series of Fire-Boltt Dream. So I have bought the Fire-Boltt Dream a few days back, and I have been using this as my primary watch over my Amazfit GTS2. There is some rant video and mentioning the problems of this watch will be coming really soon. Stay tuned for that. Why I am making this video quickly means because there is an update which came yesterday. I have received it in my watch, so I will just show you that. Option software update. Yeah. So this one currently, earlier it was different version, but now the version that we are running is version 2.0. So what are all the changes which happened to this particular watch? So there are few changes which I have noticed in the course of me using it. Quickly that I have noticed, first thing is this water dispense application. As I told, this having a certification of IP57, so water resistant. So they have added this application. So what it will does is it will play some high frequency audio in here. So it will dispense it will drain the water from the speaker, whichever is getting through this. So that they have added. Also you have the second thing is they have added a shortcut here as well. So from here also you can access this particular application. So that is the one thing they have included in this updates. The second thing is they have added this new icon. Earlier it was showing like 1.1 and 1.2. This is actually earlier they were having for screen resolution. Now I don't know for which reason they have used this one. So if you hold this one means it will be automatically going inside the display options. These are two things which are recently added. Also they have added a new option called notification island. If you go inside notification, they have this option. So whenever there is a message coming, it will be showing like iPhone's dynamic island. So they have added 4 colors. I was using this silver one, which looks decent. So yeah, the message now won't show it like earlier. Also they have redesigned it a little bit. Earlier it used to be like more square. Now it is a rounded design. So that is one thing to notice. So there are some fine tuning happened in those notification related things. Also one of the good thing that they have done in this recent update is they have changed all 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Earlier, even though you set it in here, like if I go here, if you open the system setting, you have option to set the date and time. Here you can set it as 24-hour or 12-hour. Earlier, if you even disable this option to make it as 12, it will be showing the 24-hour clock. Even if you see here, it will be showing 24-hour clock. So now they have fixed it to show it as a 12-hour clock, which really mentioned by a lot of people as an issue. So these are all the few things which they have included in the recent update. I usually appreciate Fire-Boltt to have more updates. I will be mentioning few problems in the upcoming video. If they could address those in the system updates in the upcoming days, that would be really great, and it will be a really good option to buy. Otherwise, I would say just stay away from it. That I want to make a quick video about explaining what all the new updates has happened. So if you have a device, make sure you have going to this update section and updating, checking for the new update. Also you have a local update, so I don't know how that will work. So we'll see all the things in the future video. So yeah, that's what about this video of me explaining about the latest update. Thank you for watching.